Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're in Lisle along the Burlington Racetrack BNSF Chicago subdivision. It's a dreary, cold January day in Chicagoland, and we're getting into Monday afternoon rush hour. So we're going to bring you today's commuter train, Metra commuter train roundup. We've got a green light on the signal tower back here. Should be looking at an inbound Metra commuter train here shortly, and hopeful that we'll catch an Amtrak and maybe a freight. Thanks for watching today's video. Quick as that one goes, we've got a westbound Amtrak on the center track, track 2. Kind of a neat little a private car of some sort on the end of the train there. By the way, I didn't mention it, but the Amtrak train was the Southwest Chief Chicago to Los Angeles. Just starting its cross-country journey, getting ready to stop at its first, I believe second stop outside of Chicago. I think they stopped in LaGrange too, maybe. But heading toward Naperville, obviously. Got some more lights coming, another commuter train as part of our commuter roundup. It'll be here shortly. And here comes our first outbound commuter train that we're catching today. Track 1, coming from Chicago, pulling into Lisle. You can see all the remnants of the snow we've had here. A couple of decent snows in the past couple of weeks. A little bit of ice this morning. Big ice storm in downstate Illinois. And I believe we have a freight train coming. You see 3 headlights. A headlight, 2 ditch lights, and no wigwag or Mars light. Let's move in a little bit closer. Those trains come through Lisle and the western suburbs so quietly and smoothly. The trains are coming early and often, kind of like voting in Chicago. Another one coming. It's only a minute or two since that last one passed. I'm unable to tell if that... Yeah, that's Metra. I can see the Mars light. So it's our third commuter train in about 10 minutes. Passing under the North-South Veterans Memorial Tollway, Interstate 355. Quick signal check looking east toward Chicago. Got one red and two flashing yellows. All right, another inbound train pulling into Lisle. And if we turn around here and take a look at the signals, that inbound train's got the green, flashing yellow for the center track, and red on the nearest track, and that red on the nearest track is because this guy has a clear signal for approaching Lisle Station from the east. Another outbound Metra train. I'd hate to be riding on that car with the uneven wheel that is doing the banging. That'd be a long, uncomfortable trip, I'm sure. Folks, that's a inbound Metra Monday afternoon. It's kind of a Metra Roundup with an Amtrak and a freight kind of sneaked in there. We're going to call it a day. Appreciate you watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay warm if you're in anywhere in this area, and we'll see you on the next video.